Good afternoon, you're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101, and the P4 Pro is back, and I'm outside here of the Ocean Dreams Luxury Apartments in Coney Island. As you know, just recently, DJI just re-released the Phantom 4 Pro. Why? Why did they re-release the Phantom 4 Pro? No, this is not another review on a 4-year-old drone, but this is just to ask why. Why? Because we know that 1-inch Sony CMOS sensor with the mechanical shutter that stops all the rolling shutter, that makes it an ideal platform for photogrammetry, an ideal platform for videography. But other than that, I'm about to put the bird up and get some shots. Hope you enjoy the flight. Maybe you'll see why I go to the P4 Pro. That was my time here in Coney Island at the Ocean Dream Apartments with the P4 Pro. Hope you enjoyed the flight. Please feel free to check out the descriptions below. Also, feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101.